Bring your best self every day. Good morning, team. Every day you show up, you're teaching people what kind of consultant you are. In consulting, people are always forming an impression. Your client is, your leadership is, and your teammates are. And they're not doing it only on the big days. They're doing it in the everyday moments. How you show up on Monday morning, how you respond under pressure, how you prepare, how you follow through, how you communicate when you're tired, how you treat people when the work gets hard. That is the real pattern people remember. Bringing your best self every day doesn't mean you have to be perfect. It means you have to show up with intention. It means you have to be disciplined, energy, professionalism, and a mindset that says this day matters. Everybody has long weeks. Everybody has stress. Everybody has competing demands. The consultants who keep growing anyway are the ones who don't let the temporary fatigue become a permanent standard. Your best self is the version of you that takes ownership, stays engaged, protects quality, and doesn't need constant reminders to do the basics well. It's also the version of you that keeps perspective, that stays steady, that keeps moving, that doesn't waste the day. One of the most useful habits you can build is to start the day by asking two questions. What do I need to accomplish today? And how do I want people to experience me while I'm doing it? That simple pause can sharpen your whole day. Consulting careers are built one day at a time, one meeting at a time, one deliverable at a time, one interaction at a time. So this week, don't drift into your days. Step into them. Bring intention. Bring energy. Bring your best self. Here's your call to action. At the start of each workday this week, take 2 minutes to define your top priority and the standard you want to bring into your meetings, your communications, and your delivery that day. Let's have a strong week.